Alright guys, this is my unboxing of my AMS Q50 downpipes. I am stoked because I haven't really been in the modding game as serious as I plan to for this vehicle. I have a 2017 Q50. Oh man, they look freaking great. You have the A for Alpha Red 3-inch downpipe. The welding looks actually pretty awesome. Look at that. O2 bung sensor inside. Awesome welding. Really sharp product. They're really light. And I know that probably most of these products are going to be really light, but what made me get these versus anything else is just the reliability and just what everybody keeps on saying. A lot of guys out there just decided to go with the 2.5 inch just because they're probably going to stay with the stock turbos for a long time. I really don't plan on staying with the stock turbos for a long time. So down the road, these 3-inch pipes are probably going to give me the best bang for my buck and not have to rebuy these down the road. Might as well just buy them at once. 400 bucks, not bad. Took me less than a week to get them. AMS, they're freaking wonderful, and you know all the things that they do with the GTR community and Mitsubishi community and all that stuff. And now with the Infinity, can't wait for more stuff to come. Can't wait to install these bad boys. I'll definitely add another video later on. Awesome product. Really awesome.